I let my Notion agent do 2 hours of content research in 60 seconds. Here's how it's done. You open the ideation page, look for the content that you want to research for. For example, for now, let's just pick this one. We open it and we choose what platform that we are posting it on. Let's say it's a newsletter. All I have to do is just open it up, and here I see the whole template already created. For now, all I'll do, you can add more content to get better results, but all I'll do right now is just mention my topic researcher Notion AI agent that you will also get, and all you need to do is just mention it, topic researcher, and as soon as it's mentioned, it triggers the AI agent to put all the research for this particular piece of content in this page. All I do for now is just to show you what happens in the background. So let's try to open this up, and it triggers in this particular page and starts researching. And as soon as I open it, you will see all the research that has already been done. You get this AI agent as part of the new content creation hub that I'm launching. It's in pre-order and you can get it right now. You will get a 90-minute free Notion coaching call with me where we can set up the content creation hub for your Notion workspace. You get it right now before 18th of May 2026 to get this free call from the link in the description.